What the heck was that? It's actually a pretty good tagline for this channel too. Hey, welcome. Thanks for tuning in. I'm SB Mitch. You can give me a follow on Twitter. You can subscribe to the channel for more of the same exact video like this one. It's basically the exact same thing every week, but hey, that's cool. Okay, we're ready. Hello, pals. Hey, it's Beater Box Friday, just like every other Friday. And just like every other box, this one's from Supremacy. This is a box that costs $675 plus $50 to ship it here to Chicago, Illinois for a grand total of $725. It's a counter. You see it in every single mystery box that is ever recorded, so I don't need to explain it. Let's see what's in this box. Hey, you know what'd be cool? If this box is better than last week's. I'm not gonna say anything else. Okay, this is a pretty good price range, so this box should be good. We will see though. There's a bunch of loose pairs in here. There's an SB box right on top. That's cool. Wow, there's like 3 loose pairs in here. Okay, first shoe is a size US men's 8. My guess is that they're worn, but I can't really tell. It's one of those Yeezy desert boots. I don't know what this colorway is called, or is it a 500 high? It's one of the two. I don't know. I don't pay attention to Adidas, so. These are probably worn, I think. I'd have to look really close, but there's really no outsole wear. And this is a great shoe, a great heavy, dark shoe to wear in the summertime. There's your first pair, size 8, some kind of Yeezy. It's either a 500 high or a desert boot. I can't tell. Hey, if you want to buy those, then I am the worst salesperson of all time. But they'll be on my website today at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. That website is sbmitch.com. Next up, this might hurt your eyes. It is a size US men's 10.5. It's the Iridescent Air Trainer. I mean, iridescent as it gets. It's all like patent material, so the creasing shows really, really heavily on these. The outsole's in pretty good shape. There weren't really there's not really much tread there anyway, so there's not much to lose, but I don't really have much to say about these. These are goofy. I don't know why you'd wear these. I really have nothing to say. There you go, size 10.5. Air Trainer 1, I think. Woof. Next up is a grade school pair of 10s. What size is it? Size 4 youth. There you go. Some kind of Jordan 10. I don't know what it's called. The patent is definitely yellowed. This is probably older. Looks like it's from 2011. So not surprised that there's some yellowing going on. Definite insole wear. I think it's an okay looking shoe. It's just a 4 youth. I don't know who would wear a 4 youth from 2011, but if you do, hey, there you go. Size 4 youth, Jordan 10. I have no idea what the colorway is called. Maybe Joker. It's got that like green and purple kind of thing going on with it. Shoe with boxes. What is this? Converse, says 4.5 men's. It says move to 0. I don't know what this is. Oh, interesting. It's a pair of the Crater Converse, I think All-Stars maybe? They are part of Nike's recycled program, so it's a very lightweight shoe. The sole is made up of like crumpled up or ground up old soles, but you can see outsole wear. A little bit of wear on the upper, but I mean, I don't really know. I don't know if these have any value, but it's a pretty okay size. 4.5. So that makes it a women's 6.5 with Converse sizing. But there you go. Crater Chucks, which is, as you know, Trader Joe's brother-in-law. It says 12.5 Nike Air Force One Type 1. It says N354 on the box. These are worn, but really lightly. Interesting colorway. I don't know what these are called. I don't know if there's like a collab thing going on with them, but it's pretty much all black with a gum sole. It does have a strap, but it's purely aesthetic as opposed to having any kind of use. Really lightly worn though. There's hardly any star loss or any outsole drag, so it's in really good shape. You can see the medial side has a different kind of material going on with it, and it's got the swoosh. No swoosh on the lateral side, which is kind of a cool looking thing. I mean, it's an Air Force One, so it's a classic model. Colorway is a little bit more modern than a lot of AF1 heads like to wear, but cool looking shoe. In size 12.5, kind of rare size if you ask me. Air Force One Type 1. So it looks like there's 4 or 5 more in here. There is an Adidas hanging out of the bottom, so I'm gonna grab that. Looks like a Pharrell collaboration. This is a Solar Hue Glide, Chinese New Year, the US men's 11. Oh yeah, I remember these. I want to say they're worn, albeit very lightly. But yeah, it's the Chinese New Year Solar Glide or whatever. Collaboration with Pharrell Williams. These came out in like February or something like that. It's a cool colorway. A boost outsole, so it's probably super comfortable. Black outsole with hints of gum here and there. It's a nice looking shoe. I'm sure it's super comfortable too. Not a bad size either, so there you go. Size 11, very lightly worn. Pharrell Solar Hue Glide. Chinese New Year. It's a good colorway. Let's see. Nike Air Max 1 ND in a size US men's 9.5. Hello, old friend. We got a pair that have a Nike Day Air Max 1. I really like this colorway. It's very pastel, kind of Easter looking. It's got a clearish outsole, which you can see is in really good shape. There is no nipple loss on the forefoot, which is really, really cool, and just needs a light cleanup. But it's mostly canvas and suede on the upper. Really nice like lavender liner that matches the ankle and the laces. So really well put together shoe. I used to have a pair. I wore them like twice and just wasn't feeling them, but still a cool shoe. Size 9.5, lightly worn, have a Nike day, have a nice day, whatever you call it. Air Max 1. This box is cool. I like this box way better than the last one. Let me see what this SB is. Oh, it's Janoski, so I'm gonna actually open it now. It says Zoom Stefan Janoski Canvas Premium Quick Strike in a size US men's 8. If I were to guess, I would say these are dead stock. There's literally no signs of wear. I don't know what this colorway is called. It's definitely giving me Umbrella Corporation hints on here, which is a fictional corporation from the video game series Resident Evil. Can you tell I just played Resident Evil Village for a very long time this weekend? But it's a really cool looking shoe. It's got this like print all over the canvas. Kind of looks like an aerial view of a beach maybe, I don't really know. But it is a skating shoe, so there is Zoom Air on the insole, which I'm not gonna take out, but well put together shoe. I'm pretty sure these are dead stock. I have to double check though. Doesn't look like there's anywhere on the bottoms, but who knows? I have to look at them closer. Size 8. Janoski, yeah, Zoom Stefan Janoski Premium Quick Strike. Interesting. That's a good era. Two more in here. There's a lot of pairs in this box. First up, we have a size 9.5 Air Jordan 1 Low. Another low. Wow. So this isn't like crazy because it is still a Jordan 1 Low. It's probably one of the better colorways. This is the Shattered Backboard Air Jordan 1 Low. Definitely not the same kind of quality as a Jordan 1 Shattered Backboard. I can attest to that. But it's a very, very well put together colorway. Probably my favorite colorway of a Jordan 1 of all time. Outsole wear, there's a little bit of heel drag, but not much star loss on the forefoot. There is some toe box creasing right there on the vamp. But overall, these are in good shape. There's a full Jumpman inside there too. And this is a really, really, really good colorway that I'm sure, these probably gotta be worth between like 150 and 175. Maybe even more in this size, because 9.5 is a good size. So there you go. Jordan 1 Low Shattered Backboards in a size 9.5. And I saved this for the last one because I could tell what it is kind of by the box. Got a Gatorade Jordan 1. This one is a size US men's 9. Let's see what colorway it is. Colorway I'm very fond of. This is the orange one. I mean, it's clearly all one colorway, orange Air Jordan 1. This whole pack, I don't know if you guys can see it on here, but the leather quality on this pack is absolutely ridiculous. I've had the blue ones before from another box and was just blown away by how the leather quality is. These are actually pretty close to Shattered Backboard leather quality. It's very soft. I mean, you can see the unintentional tumbling going on in there just because the leather is so soft. But overall, the shoe is in pretty decent shape. The Nike Air is almost all the way gone on there. The outsole, pretty good shape. There is a little bit of star loss up here on the forefoot, but just a cool looking shoe. If you do plan your outfits, this is probably a really tough one to plan around, but it's loud. I like it. Here's your last shoe. Size 9, Jordan 1 Gatorade in the orange colorway. That is a $675 before shipping Sole Supremacy beater box. This box absolutely crushes last week in my opinion because it's more fun, but let's see what the numbers say right now. Good box. I mean, the movability might be a little bit lower, but a lot of fun shoes in here. Right? Am I right in saying that? Yeah, who cares? Hey, if you want to buy any of these, they'll be on my website today at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. You can find that website at sbmitch.com. Before that happens, they will be cleaned and disinfected with the Rejuvenator family of products. And if you clean your shoes or feel like cleaning your shoes, if you want to save some money on your Rejuvenate order, use my code SBMitch10 at checkout to save 10% off your entire order. And they do free shipping too, so it's not like it just saves you a little bit on shipping. It's actually 10% off of your entire order. Pretty awesome. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you have a really good weekend. Stop back next week for some kind of other video if you feel like it. If you don't, that's cool too. You have a life to live, why not go live it? Wow, that was deep. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Till then, take care of each other. Remember to keep sneakers fun because they're supposed to be fun. Bye.